In this video, I will show you how to download Binance app for PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To download the Binance app, you do need to use Google Chrome, so if you don't have that, you can download that using Microsoft Edge or Firefox or something like that. Now once you've got that Google Chrome downloaded, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and then what you can do is come up to the address bar at the top and type Binance.com, which is going to take you across to the official website for Binance. Now what you need to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come down and hover where it says cast, save and share, and on this sub menu you're going to see the option to install page as app, so give that a click. Then it's going to ask to install this page as an app. You can name this whatever you want, so we can take all this out and just leave it set to Binance. Then what we can do is click onto install. Now as you can see, what's going to happen is Binance is going to open up in a separate window like this. So if we now come back to our desktop, you're going to see we have the Binance installed as an app on our desktop. We can quite simply just double click this and it's going to open it as its own individual app. So that is how to download Binance app for PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.